Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on Google Play Store on the browser on our website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. It could be Google, it could be like Opera, it could be Brave like me, it could be Microsoft Edge, I don't know, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So of course, once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type play.google.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, if you are logged in into your account, that will be great. But if you are not logged in into your account, just go and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one. Of course, you'll be able to do that even with your email or Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. And trust me, it will be much faster. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this homepage, and of course, you will need just to go at the top right corner at your icon. Just tap at it, tap at the profile icon, and then go and click at payments and subscriptions. So of course, if you didn't find anything here, that will not be a problem. Many people will find a redeem code option here. But of course, if you didn't find it, just go back to the URL section and type this. Of course, you would like to remove this. And if you want to begin from the start, let me just show you. Just type play.google.com/redeem. Redeem, and hit the enter button. So as you can see, that actually opens this for me. So simply here, I'm just going to enter my code, the code that I have. And once I finish, I'm just going to click at redeem. And by clicking redeem, you agree to the gift card promotion code, terms and conditions as applicable. Of course, make sure to read those if you are interested by them. If you are not, just go and hit the redeem option and you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.